Hello there, I am Alfredo Arriaga, and I am going to talk about precipitation. Now, before taking this class, I did not know much about precipitation. Basically, I just thought it was another way of saying rain. But now I know that is not the case. Precipitation is far more than just rain. It also includes snow, sleet, glaze, virga, and hail, which is the one that I'm going to focus on right now. Something I learned about hail that I thought was interesting was how big it can get. Throughout my life, I thought that hail was merely a speck of ice, but I was so wrong. Hail can be the size of a golf ball or even the size of a baseball. When hail reaches that size, it can be a serious hazard. When an object that is about 8 inches falls from the sky at such high speeds, it can damage property such as cars or even cause injuries, possibly death. I will absolutely remember this for the rest of my life because it is important for keeping me alive. Also, watching someone's car get pummeled is definitely going to stick with me. For example, NPR News reported an incident in June of 2023. According to them, there was a hailstorm in Red Rocks, Colorado, which led to a concert being canceled. But that's not the worst thing that happened that night. The hail was the size of a golf ball, so it was heavy enough to cause injuries. 90 people were injured and 7 were hospitalized. Luckily, no one died. This topic doesn't affect me that much personally, but it has raised awareness for me. My dad drives a lot for work, so I am grateful that we do not regularly experience hailstorms where we live. However, even though there is a very small chance of my dad driving in a hailstorm, I can still warn him about them and tell him what to do if he ever finds himself in that situation. This knowledge will absolutely benefit me in the future. Throughout this class, I have become more and more grateful for where I live. I live in the desert, which is nowhere near the ocean, so I don't have to worry about tsunamis. I don't live near volcanoes, so I don't have to worry about being burned to death. And I don't live in an area with lots of major earthquakes. This lesson is no exception. Because I learned about hail, I am grateful that I do not live in Colorado because hailstorms seem to be commonplace over there. Due to this knowledge, I know where not to buy a house, or at the bare minimum, I need to ensure that my house is well fortified.